Nani! Run for your lives! Ah! Run, tank! Oh! It's like the wave ate the tank! Look at that! He got scared! Hey guys, what's up? What's up? So this is the giant wave that I created. And yes guys, it is good for PvP and really fun to use and flex worthy. Yeah. So guys, this wave is built for purple team. So let's start now. Place block at this corner. Move it up with move 200. Then move it to the edge. Then place 100 pistons. You can place one by one or clone. Place block here. With move 70, clone this block here. Then clone on this side, and here, and here. The last three are guide blocks. Select these blocks. With move 10, clone these blocks. Move them back to original position, but do not release them yet. Switch to rotate, then rotate one time. Delete the clone guide blocks, so every time you clone, delete the clone guide blocks. Scale both sides of these blocks with scale 8.5. Then scale these blocks, make them flat so we can save blocks. But if you have enough blocks, you can actually retain its scale. Then select the blocks again and do the cloning process again. But this time, rotate 2 times. Then same process, but this time, rotate 4 times. Delete this block, then cloning process again. This time, rotate 6 times. This block is doubled, so delete 1. This blocks 2. Then select these blocks and select this guide block last. Move these blocks to the other side. Move 2 times like this with move 10. With move 20, move them like this. Then with move 20, clone these blocks here. But do not release them yet. Switch to rotate. Then rotate them 3 times like this. With move 0.1, move them like this. Delete these blocks. Then connect these blocks. Then select these clone blocks. But select this block last. Move them like this with move 10. Then scale this block 1 time with scale 10. Now do the step again, but this time do not select the last block that we scaled. Now again the process, but this time do not select the last 2 blocks that we scaled. See the pattern? Do it continuously until you adjust all blocks. Now this block, scale it to the other side, align it, delete these blocks, and then adjust this. Now move the wave until the edge again. Then move it like this until it's aligned with the pistons. Place block here. Then scale it to connect to the wave. With scale 100, scale the wave blocks 1 times downwards. Change color to blue. So I created a platform so I can adjust the blocks upwards. I scaled them upwards with scale 700, but if you want, you can scale them even more. Adjust this block so we can place servo on it. Make sure the white block of the servo will not touch the wave. Change servo angle to 90. Torque to green. Then place 5 pistons facing downwards on this block. Then place block here. With scale 2, scale the block 2 times. Mirror this block like this. Scale like this so it will be connected to the wall. You can place spikes on the wave, of course! Dynamites if you want, and make them transparent too. Actually guys, it's better if you will also put spikes inside the wave. Costly, but it will be more deadly, yeah! So we're gonna place switch for these 100 pistons. But you need to unbind the servo and the 5 pistons with this switch. But we are going to place another switch for this. So this is gonna be the assemble switch. Adjust this block again. By the way, change servo speed to 1. Then with move 2.1, clone the servo like this. Then clone this block. Then with 0.5, scale this block like this so it holds the servos. Bind the clone servos to the assemble switch. With move 0.5, clone this block like this. Change piston speed to 10. So uncheck collision of the whole build first. Guys, the next process, it's up to you if you want to do this. And check anchor. Press the assemble switch. See this area? Make the spikes visible for a while. Change color of the spikes for markers. Now press the assemble switch, then check anchor. With match rotation check, place a strong block on each wave blocks like this. Then scale these blocks matching the scale of the wave blocks. But make sure these blocks will not be scaled beyond the spike markers. This block's collision will not be turned off, so this can push you while wave is moving. This might not push other players' build, guys. It can be or it won't. But surely if the wave is stopped, players won't be able to pass this wave while at the middle. And why this middle part only? Because if you do this on the sides, it will hit the wall that divides the bases. That will break the wave. Actually, the wave is better if collision is off, especially for PvPs. Of course, make them transparent but do not turn off collision. And see this space? Make sure these blocks will not hit the wall. If needed, scale a little to make sure these blocks will not hit the wall. Alright, it's done, guys. Now you can flex this to your friends. Look at this! When collision is on, this is what happened! Because the ship anchor is checked, the wave jumped, guys! That's why for PvPs, collision off is better. This time, guys, I turned off collision and it's invisible! It damaged everything on its path, guys! Yeah! Oh, by the way, notice the base isolation is on, but the wave can still penetrate. Alright! I hope you like this, guys. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!